How to fix Filmmaker Pro app not working. First of all, make sure your app is updated to the latest version from the Play Store. Outdated apps often causes crashes or unexpected errors. Next, clear the app cache and data by going to your device settings. Then apps, selecting Filmmaker Pro and tapping storage. Choose clear cache and clear data to remove temporary files that may be causing problems. Restart your device after clearing the cache and data. This helps refresh the system and can fix minor glitches that prevent the app from working correctly. If the problem continues, uninstall and reinstall Filmmaker Pro from the Play Store to ensure you have a fresh, fully functional installation. Make sure your internet connection is stable, as some features may require online access to work properly. Now you know how to fix Filmmaker Pro app not working. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more video editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.